What's up, everybody? Skaty the Cat here, and today I'm back here in another different video. Now my tooth is really hurting. I just had a butt ton of ice. Also, I have a loose tooth, so. Yeah! Okay, guys, sorry about that, but my tooth just came out. Tooth just fell out. Crap. Stormy stop. But yeah. When I wasn't recording, I had like a million lightning. I had like a million lightning bolts coming in. And I was like, what the crap? And I was like, what the crap, Storm? You suck. Tell me I got that on camera. Right there. Right on top of that house. My God. Right on top of that house. On top of the house. I didn't get it on camera. I think. I don't know. You suck.
Hey.
I did get it on camera. I don't know. Please tell me I got that on camera. Down in the comment section below, please tell me I got that lightning on camera. My God. I got a storm over there. I may need some more lightning bolts over here. If you can do that for me, please do. God, my dog is so scared. Please tell me I got that on camera. I hope I did, because I am fishing. No, I didn't get it on camera. Crap. The crap. Dude. Oh, God. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, that hurt. Coughing hurts. And for me it hurts. It especially hurts when you have a when you lost a tooth. Please tell me I got that on camera. Let me see. Oh! Things in one. Crap. I got that on camera. I know that. I know that for a fact. I know that one for a fact. That was chasing me. Yeah, I got that on camera. Got that one on camera. Know that for a fact. Yeah, I got that on camera. Sweet. Thanks, Storm. I need more. Like, closer. Like, please. Can I please? Okay, guys. My God. Hello. And again. What is wrong with this diamond? I literally just asked if you can put some like right on the wood. Please tell me I got that on camera. Just down in the comment section below. Please, down in the comment section below. And go way down there. Please tell me I got that on camera. Because I need to know if I got that on camera. Just for you guys. For you guys. Obviously, I'm not scared. But for you guys, then. Please tell me I got that on camera. Yeah, I got that on camera. Sweet. I need more like, oh my god. Let's go do something productive with our lives. I have a sweet tooth. Grabs my cock! Oh, never mind. Yeah, move. I'm gonna just. Yeah, move. Oh my god, it looks white from the camera, but really it's actually yellow. I don't know why it's yellow. Is it yellow? I don't know. Let me get closer towards the light. Yeah, it's yellow, but the camera looks white. Okay, whatever, that aside. Let's go do something Hear that cocking? Hear that cocking? This is the sound of me ready to shoot you in the face. It's not actually loaded. It's not actually loaded. You guys really think it was loaded? Fish tank. Boom. No. I can't do that. Fish tanks, man, I'm gonna kill me. Like, ooh, look, fish tank. Boom. Fish are dead. Storm bear. Oh my god. Ow! Storm bear, give me some more. That thing both close to me. I have a gun. I'm not afraid to use it. Oh my god! I'm actually spinning it! Yeah! Boom! Get wrecked! Right for your head. Boom. You're not dead. I'm not big surprise. Really? Again, I missed it. Lightning bolt right over there. Right there. Right there where I'm pointing. I missed it. My God, man, calm the frick down. Calm down. Gotta calm down. Right here, right here. I'm not gonna leave until I get a lightning bolt on camera. Yay. Yeah, I got that on camera. I'm not even until I get a lightning bolt, an actual lightning bolt on camera. Storm, if you give me an actual lightning bolt on camera, I will leave you alone to do your stuff. What the crap, man? What the crap, man? Sorry about that. My God. My God, man. I don't think I got that on camera. Sorry, Storm. We're gonna have to do it again. I'm stalking while I'm tearing up plastic. Not leaving. So I know for sure that I got an actual lighting bolt on camera. Okay, I'm sorry. There, stupid bug. I'm out of bullets. Gimme! You're making. Storm is making me sad. Behind me. Oh, yeah, oh, God. I did not get it on camera, so it's Storm. Is. Whatever. I'm almost on the maximum recording time, so. Bye.